Bakit ka ginigilt kapag tumigil ka sa pagbigay? Hi guys, welcome back to Real Talk Hustle for today. Let's be honest, hindi ka napagod dahil mahina ka. Napagod ka kasi ikaw lang ang nagbibigay. At nung tumigil kang magbigay, bigla kang naging madamot. Selfish, iba ka na. But here's the truth. People don't miss you. They miss what they were getting from you. Overgiving doesn't make you loving. It makes you drained. And guilt, that's the tool people use when they're losing access. Real love doesn't keep score, but it also doesn't exploit. 3 practical moves na pwede nating i-practice. 1. Stop rescuing people who won't help themselves. Number 2. Notice who shows up when you stop overgiving. That's real connection. And number 3, give from overflow, not from obligation. Love should energize you, not empty you. Tandaan mo to, hindi ka nagbago. Naubos ka lang at pinili mong maubos, no more. At tandaan mo ulit, love that demands sacrifice without care is not love. I'm Catherine Yukor, and again, you're watching Real Talk Hustle, where we turn pain into power.